Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use your Paysafecard on the App Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are actually two methods to doing this. The first method is on your iPhone. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your settings and type in payment, and from there you're going to see add a payment method or payment and billing, and you'll be provided a step-by-step guide on how to actually add your Paysafecard on Appstore. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do it on the website. So from here, first off, you want to go to apple.com. From here, you want to hover your mouse to support. And on the helpful topics, you're going to see billing and subscriptions. Click on it. Scroll down. And you're going to see this tab over here that says manage your payment information. Click on the hyperlink here to change, add, or remove a payment method. From here, you can see this button right here that says add a payment method. You want to go ahead and click that, and it's going to redirect you to a different page. And you'll be provided a step-by-step guide on how to add your Paysafecard. Just add any card that you want, add any payment method, and it's pretty straight to the point, straightforward, so shouldn't have any problems there. If you do encounter a problem, I highly encourage you to reach out to support. But if this video helped you out today, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you have any further questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.